Ladies and gentlemen, you can find me today back on Emerson Park, and today we're on Nelmes Road. Beside me, I've got a home amassing approximately 4,500 square foot of living accommodation. We have 5 bedrooms with 5 en suites, and there's plenty of space. So if you need even more bedrooms, you've got the option to do so. This home is truly magnificent. It's executive and it's fully bespoke. This is Nelmes Road, and I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look. As you enter this home, you're greeted with the abundance of natural light. Ground floor comprises of a formal living area, office space, coat cupboard leading to your wash facilities, and of course the open planned kitchen living. The home is fully automated with a Vitrum lighting system. The kitchen is absolutely incredible, fully bespoke with a range of Siemens appliances. This home has underfloor heating throughout the whole of the home and has been built to an immaculate standard. We have a utility room, we have all the amenities that you could wish for, and I can't wait to show you the rest. But first, let's take a look upstairs. Entering the first floor with this beautiful walnut bespoke staircase, we have ambient lighting. On this first floor, we've got 3 bedrooms with en suites. Principal suite with access to your balcony area, west facing of course overlooking the stunning landscaped rear garden. In this room we have access to a walk-in wardrobe and one of the most incredible en suites that I've laid eyes on. Again, further access to your garden area, wet room facilities, his and her sink, speaker system. This is absolutely stunning. On the top floor landing, we've got lots of natural light and we have 2 additional bedrooms with ensuite. We also have 2 further rooms, of course, if you need more bedroom space. Now, let's take a look at the rear garden. Now, let's talk about the west-facing garden and the wonderful amenities it has on offer. Low maintenance with artificial lawn. Given that the aspect is west, we get the sun all afternoon, which is perfectly suited for the pool and the seating area. Now, I'd like to show you the gym and bar area. Finishing off the tour, of course, in this exceptional outbuilding, we have not only 1, but 2 shower facilities serving the pool. We've got a sauna, and we've even got a hot tub. This home is absolutely incredible, and I don't expect it to remain on the market for long. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Billy Gill. We are Balgores, we are your Emerson Park experts, and I look forward to seeing you here at Nelmes Road very soon.